This week for a Learning More activity, I want to teach you about a tool that I love called CodePen. So CodePen is a website. It's codepen.io, and it's a website where people work on different things for code. So let me show you an example. If I go to Explore, and let's look at their top picks. So I can see what people have created, and if I find something that seems interesting to me, like let's take this puzzle for example. This person made a puzzle using JavaScript. I'm going to move that up so I can see it. And let's see, how does their puzzle work? Oh, I see. So I can drag these elements on here and do the puzzle. You guys can see how not very good at puzzles I am. My family could tell you that. Anyway, so she created this cool thing where you can make a puzzle. And so now, because she made it in CodePen, you can see all of her code. Again, she used JavaScript to make it work. Only 13 lines, so that's actually pretty impressive. But you can also see the HTML that she wrote and how she styled it to get it to work. So it's kind of cool. And one thing you can do, so I'm not logged in right now, but I could... Well, I think you need to log in to see the setting. But if I wanted to, I could make a copy of this and then play with it. Just like you can in Glitch when you remix projects, you can do that in here. And you can basically remix these projects and play with them to learn more about how people did things and to learn about how you can do different things. Sometimes I use CodePen. I use CodePen in my job today when I'm trying to learn how to build something that I've never built before. So I can't think of a specific example, but let's say that I need to build a navigation bar and I don't know how to do that. So I'm going to search navigation bar, and you can do this for anything that you want to build that you don't know how to do. So you can search for it in CodePen and look through how people have created their navigation bars. And so let's click this person's. Okay, so this person has navigation here, and the cool thing about it, according to him, it's the transparent fading navigation bar. So it's because it's transparent and fades on the edges. And there's no JavaScript in here, so that's awesome. So we can look through his HTML so we can see he has a navigation and he has an unordered list and these list items with links in them. So pretty traditional navigation bar. And he just styled it really cool. So we can look through his CSS and learn how he did that and even play with something. So also we can see that he used Google Fonts just like we've been using, and he used Open Sans. So that's super cool. So anyway, this is just a really cool tool to play with code.